In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check email clicks inside MailerLite so you can see exactly which links your subscribers are engaging with. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Whether you're just opening the app for the first time or you're looking to polish your skills, I'll walk you through my personal process for getting the best results. Start by heading to your MailerLite dashboard. From there, click on Campaigns in the left sidebar. This is your command center for everything you send, so you'll want to get comfortable navigating this area. Once you're in Campaigns, click on the Sent tab. This filters your view to show only the emails that have already been delivered to your subscribers, so you're not digging through drafts or scheduled campaigns. Now, locate the specific email you want to analyze. Just scan through your list until you find it, and then click View Report. This opens up a detailed breakdown of that campaign's performance. In the report overview, you'll immediately see your total click rate, which tells you the overall percentage of people who clicked any link in your email. But to really understand what's happening, you'll want to dive deeper. First, click on Click Map. This is one of my favorite features because it displays your actual email design exactly as it appeared in your subscribers' inboxes, with the exact percentage of clicks each individual link received. You can see right away which call to action buttons or text links performed best, and which ones might need a rewrite. Next, head over to Subscriber Activity. This tab breaks down who clicked what. You can filter the list by selecting Clicked, and it will show you the names and email addresses of every subscriber who engaged with your links. This is incredibly useful for follow-up campaigns or segmenting your most engaged audience. Let's do a quick recap. You've now learned how to check email clicks in MailerLite by going to Campaigns, finding your sent email, viewing the report, and then using the Click Map and Subscriber Activity tabs to analyze performance. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.